Hi, boys and girls. Well, maybe mum and dad don't want you attaching lots of tubes to the walls. Yeah, I can understand that because the tape can sometimes rip off the paint. So maybe you need to take your tubes and make a log run and become creative about how you shape it. So what I've done here is I have taped it to my filing cabinet as the starting point, and then I put a crate under it so that it would support it, and then I put another basket at the other end to support it, and I put a cup at the end, and I'm about ready to finish it with my last tube. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut my tube with a little piece out of it and then use tape to attach it to the last piece. So I'm getting my tape ready, and I'm going to make sure that it's pretty secure by attaching it right to here at the very end. And hopefully my ball will drop off right into the cup. And as you can see, I've got to put a couple more pieces of tape on there so that it's held stronger. And I know that if I use an X, or a triangular shape, being the strongest shape there is, will hold it better than just one piece of straight tape. And there you go. All right, let's see if dropping my ball at the top of my marble run makes it all the way down here and drops into the cup. All right, see if my slope is gentle enough for it to drop in the cup, or is my slope so much that the marble will run right off? Let's find out. I've got my yellow marble over here. I'm going to get my tape and scissors out of the way so I don't trip over them. All right, I've got my yellow marble. Quite a big one here. And I'm going to stick it in at the top. So get ready, team. We'll stick it in the top over here. Oh, it's a bit twisted. See if we can straighten it out. There we go. Because I don't want the ball to fall out of the channel that I've made. And I'll try and get my camera to fit as much of the marble run as possible. So I'm going to push you back. So hopefully you can see the whole thing. All right, let's see if my marble drops off into my cup at the end, or if I need to alter my slope. Okay, here we go. We're going to drop it at the top. 3, 2, 1. So my slope was so strong, the marble shot off the end and has run right over to the other end of the classroom. So that shows me I need to make my slope more gentle so that it just runs and drops. See if I can alter it there. And now I'll try it again. Hold on. Okay, we've made our slope a little more gentle. Let's try it again. 3, 2, 1. Nope, still a bit strong. So I'm going to have to work on making my slope not so steep. I'm going to have to gentle the end. I need to alter it so that it is less of an inclined plane. Not so steep, it is more of a gentle slope so that the ball loses momentum as it speeds down my slope and then drops into the cup. We want that gravity to pull it in. All right, so I'm going to keep working on my one. Maybe if I add another piece to the end, and then that will help it angle into the cup. If I do this part, I'm going to give it a go by putting one of my leftover pieces, maybe like this, and add it, and then maybe it will drop in. So let's add a piece on here. I'll stick this bit on, and of course, then I want to use that famous X, because we know angles are stronger than straight inclined. Let's put that X on the back there, and put that right there. Maybe we'll get lucky and it will land right in there. All right, I gotta find my marble. Where'd it go? There it is. Okay, I found it. Here it comes. Let's see. Okay, let's see if it works now. 3, 2, 1. Woohoo! It landed in the cup and then rolled right out as it had so much force and knocked off. But you heard it land in there the first time. So, all right, you guys, go find some tubes. Cut them in half. Stick them together. Remember, use those cross pieces of tape on the back because it's stronger and it will hold it better. All right, team, let me know how it goes for you, how your inclined plane, if you're able to make it into a steep one and the marble will go faster or slower, or if you make it into less of a grade, what happens to that then? All right, have fun.